Right now, our application is not the cutest thing in the world. So what we can do is use some of Next.js's built-in CSS support. So first of all, I want to talk to you about global styles. If you want to add global styles into your Next.js application, you do it at the app level. And when I mean at the app level, I mean that we actually have to make a file. It's a new file in Pages, and it's underscore app.js. Now this big underscore app.js, it's really just a component that wraps our entire Next.js function. As you can see, there's nothing particularly fancy here. But if we wanted to have global styles, what we could do is we could create a file, styles.css. And then in here, let's just say we want to add some very, very basic styles. We could say that we want our font family to be Helvetica, then we'll add we'll just start with that as a basic global style here. Now we can import this style sheet into that underscore app.js. Just like that. And so now when we go to our application, you can see that the font changed in here. If you are following along, make sure you restart your server before doing it. Whenever you update that app.js, you have to do that. Whenever you want to have global style sheets, whether you're using your own defined style sheets or something external like Bootstrap, you always import it at the app level. On a per component level, however, you can use pretty much any styling solution that you would want. And so my personal preference is CSS modules. You could use styled JSX. You could use some kind of CSS and JS library, whatever you'd like. And it's natively supported in Next.js. They cover most libraries right out of the box. If I were to, for example, make a file and call it pokemon.module.css, I can then add specific styles like container, display flex, and a bunch of other styles. Now that I've added some of these, I can go back to my component, import styles from /pokemon.module.css, and now I can just use them. I have that class container, so class name is styles.container. And if I were to save that and then refresh the page, look at that! You know, it's not gorgeous, but it's good enough for me. So that's generally how you do styling in Next.js.